the brakes feel right when we slow down?
No.
So,
I think I could do without that.
here we go, there's the brakes.
Jesus, Mary and Joseph, we're just going to... What happens? You can't do that. We're going to land. James, I don't like this one at all.
Okay, brakes are going in.
Oh, God almighty.
This is the RAF's Tornado. It has been used by the Royal Air Force for 35 plus years. But we're now in its last year of operation, so this is one of the last few remaining in service. I'm about to take a flight.
The Tornado entered service in 1982, and for 8 years it was engaged, being on readiness in Western Germany to operate across the Iron Curtain. After that, from the First Gulf War, it's been continuously engaged in operations either in Iraq or Syria, Afghanistan, Libya, or indeed in Africa. When the Tornado entered service, all of its weapons are what we call dumb weapons, where they're dropped and they just fall where they were being aimed by the aircraft. But we've added precision-guided weapons to it, so the weapons are so much more precise now than they used to be. So we're going to cruise across to North Wales at medium level, but once we've been past Liverpool, we're going to go down into the valleys and show her some of what the Tornado was built to do, which was to go across the Iron Curtain at low altitude. And if she's feeling okay at the very end, I'm going to do some aerobatics and throw the airplane around a bit for her.
This is the most extraordinary thing about getting into one of these cockpits, is literally the buttons and dials alongside me are ancient. How do people feel about the Tornado? Does it feel a bit like a dinosaur?
In terms of the performance, yeah, we're a bit lumbering, but in terms of what it was designed to do, which is go a long way at a fairly high speed and deliver weapons very accurately.
So is this the last sort of we're going to see of this type of flying?
I wouldn't say that for sure. As we design aircraft that can't be seen by radar, then people will design other ways of seeing aircraft. On the day it retires in March 2019, it will go out at the top of its game, but that's the way with most aircraft.
Will you feel sad?
I will feel sad, but you have to look forward.
That was absolutely incredible. We were up in the air for, what, nearly 2 hours. Quite phenomenal. I mean, it's a phenomenal way to fly. It's a phenomenal way to see the country. We literally crossed the UK in sort of 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And seeing it from such incredible levels, absolutely remarkable experience.